Very important part of Christmas is, of course, the Christmas meal. But unfortunately, during Christmas time in the UK alone, 7 million tonnes of food is wasted. 2 million turkeys, 5 million Christmas puddings, 74 million mince pies are thrown away whilst still edible. So here are a couple of tips that you can use to make your Christmas less wasteful. So, first of all, no matter how you purchase your food, if you have waste, it's so important to not just chuck it away. If you do have to bin it, please consider a compost bin. Amazing if you have your own in your garden, but there are many compost schemes for councils, so you can use those. Another method is if you're having a family dinner, you can give them little packs that can take away home with them and have the next couple of days, as well as yourself putting spare food in the fridge and freezer and having that over the next couple of days. Another thing you can do with your leftovers is to ask at your local shelter or food bank if they'll accept donations over Christmas, and it's just a lovely thing to do for somebody over the holidays. So now to consider how you can actually buy your food sustainably and zero waste. The ideal way would be to grow your own food, but I know nobody really has the time for that or even the space for that. I myself would love to. I don't have a garden, but if you do, please consider growing your own veggies and even having a vegetarian or vegan meal, as that will be less wasteful. But if you do need to purchase foods and if you do need to eat meat over Christmas, then consider buying locally from farmers, from people that you know, who you know are making sustainable choices in the way they grow the veggies and take care of their animals. That will be more expensive, so I will show you some options in local supermarkets that you can buy zero waste Christmas stuff. A great way to be zero waste is to actually make a lot of the stuff yourself. A lot of things like pies and desserts and all the meals will actually be cheaper and zero waste when you can make them yourself. Things like flour comes in a paper bag, but actually buying a mince pie will probably come with plastic covering. So always consider making it yourself, and you can make it into an activity with your family and get your kids involved, which will be a nice Christmas activity to do on the days coming up to Christmas. Of course, if that's not an option, you can always buy things from a local bakery or even support a friend and buy it from them. If you're deciding to buy meat this Christmas and you don't have a butcher shop available to you, unfortunately a lot of it is wrapped in plastic, but one way that you can reduce waste is to actually buy from the reduced aisle a day before Christmas hopefully, and this will prevent extra meat from going to waste, and it's all still edible, and you'll get it at a reduced price. Vegan or vegetarian meals are of course more eco-friendly. They're less water intensive, less energy intensive, and less cruel on animals. So if you are able to consider that kind of option, then please do. There are also many options that are packaged in cardboard that you can recycle, and some of them will even come pre-prepared for you. So if you don't have time to cook the meal, then that is also an option. Or there are many great similar options that you can actually make yourself, like nut roasts or seitan, which is a very good mock meat. So I'll be trying out making seitan roasts, which you'll see now. Many things that you may have to purchase may not be plastic free, but a better alternative is to buy in bulk. So if you wanted to make a nut roast and you did to buy some nuts, always opt for the bigger bag, especially for products like nuts, which won't go off very soon. Or you can share with other people, and they tend to be cheaper per kilogram as well. Other than that, there are a lot of foods that you can find in shops which are zero waste. Luckily, fruit and veg is becoming more and more accessible, and you can use those to make your meals from scratch as well. So here in Asda, I am looking around and it's my local shop, but it's very similar to other ones like Morrison's and Aldi. A lot of the fruit and veg is becoming more zero waste. There are even properly zero waste Asda's popping up over the country, which is amazing. So you have access to one of those. I really recommend you go visit. Of course, you can buy from your local farm shop as well if you do have access to one of those, or you can buy online produce boxes from your local farm which can get dropped off to you, so it's also very COVID safe. There are many snacks that you can get over Christmas as well. You can of course make your own, but there are many options like I'm showing you here. And a great way to check if things are zero waste is you can look at the packaging, and very often it'll tell you if there are any single-use plastics inside, so you can stay clear of those. But things that are packaged in cardboard are amazing, because then you can just simply recycle it or reuse it in your crafts if you wish. Also, don't forget that buying things in cans and jars can also be counted as zero waste. They're easy to recycle, or you can keep them and use them for crafts, for storage. I'm always shocked when people buy new jars when you can just buy a jam jar, eat the jam and then clean it out and use that jar yourself. That's how I used to store my food now, so I always keep them. So things in jars and cans are very eco-friendly, and a lot of them will be very handy for your meal, having things like carrots and peas, any kind of veggies, and jars like of jam, which will be great for your desserts, and things like preserves you can always find in glass jar options. So sometimes you can see ketchup, opt for mayonnaise in jars instead of plastic containers. There's also mustard. Whatever you need, there would always be a glass jar option, like cranberry sauce, apple sauce, anything you can think of for Christmas. So here's a sneak peek into my Christmas dinner. All of the ingredients here I got zero waste from Asda, and things I made myself as well. As you can see, it's delicious, so you don't have to miss out even if you want to be zero waste this Christmas.